Data centers impact environment and local community shares. For example, for some companies, Microsoft and Amazon Web Service run master data centers networks that requires continuous electricity if powered by fossil fuel heavy grids. This contributes to carbon emissions and air pollution. When using renewable energy demands can strain local power infrastructure. Technology description: data center. Large facilities that stores, process, and distribute digital information, power servers like cloud inputting, streaming, AI systems, and social media, contains thousands of servers running 24 hours, requires massive electricity, cooling, and electric infrastructure. Key figures and stakeholders. Who's affected here? Local residents, noise, water use, land developed, utility customers, high electric demand can be affected price, environment and ecosystem, energy and water consumed, who makes decisions. Tech companies like Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Local government, zoning, permits, tax incentives, who built and maintains. Cloud infrastructure, engineers, construction firms, energy and utility companies supplies power and water. Description of the issue. Data centers consume very large amounts of electric and water. They contribute to carbon and emission, especially when the power by fossil fluids. Cooling system often strains local water supplies. Constructs and expand can disrupt local land use and ecosystem. Community near data center may be face noise, heat, output, and infrastructure stress. Argue for data center. Able assess digital servers, email, banking, education, health systems, power, modern AI, research and scientific computing, support economic growth and job creation, improve global connectivity and data access, increase input and efficiency companies distribute systems. Argue against data center. High energy consumes to contribute to climate change. Heavy water engage a cooling drought-strong region. Can strain local power grid and infrastructure, often built with tax incentives, may not be fully benefit the community. The environment impact is concentrate and specificity regions. Opinion and stance. A balance will be viewed mostly reason. Data centers, assessment, infrastructure, and modern life cannot be simply removed. However, their growth should be more regularly and sustained. Companies should be renewed in their energy source, improving cooling efficiency, less water in incentive systems, increase parity and environment impact, sites, if, facility and locations, and lower ecology stress. In my conclusion, the issue is not when data center should be accepted, but whenever they cannot build and operate in the way that aligns with long-term environment, sustainability, and fairness to local communities. That's all I have to say in this video.